guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Christy and thank you for clicking on this video. So let me just explain what the 90-day challenge is. Essentially, I wanted to challenge myself to learn one thing each day. It can be really small, like learning a new fact, or it can be really big, like maybe programming a whole website, let's say. So right now I've just been uploading video every day, just showcasing what I've been learning. So if you want to join my journey and if you think you're interested in it, feel free to watch my videos and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos so that, I don't know, so more people can become more motivated and learn what they actually want to do. I think that the hardest step is just to start, and if you can't start, that's already a huge step. But before we do that, let's hop into today's montage. I'm gonna be doing a montage. If I film something each day, it'll just be like 1 minute, and cause why not? Anyways, let's get into it. Anyways, let's get on to the video. Ciao. So I just got home around 7:30, did all I had to do, and now it is like 8:15. I actually edited my YouTube video from yesterday throughout this day today, and all I gotta do is fix up a bit of the thumbnail editing, then I'm ready to post it. I already like uploaded it onto YouTube and it's just like private, it's not public yet. All I gotta do is fix some changes. And after doing that, I'm going to be continuing my website design from yesterday. If you haven't checked that video out, make sure to check it so that you know what's going on in this video. Essentially, I'm just going to be designing the smaller tab pages such as the blog page, social media, and the photography portfolio page. Hopefully I can get it done by tonight. I'm going to give myself, let's say, 1 hour and 45 minutes so that I can end at 10. So right now it is 10:09, as you can see at the corner of my screen. I finished most of the bare bone design of the other pages, so let me just walk you through on what I did. So again, I did not think of anything to change this red color, so please let me know if you have any suggestions. Just type in the comments and then I'll try it out and perhaps put it in. Anyways, I did not change the main page, but if we look here, I got a blog page. I have changed a bit of the layout here, so if you're currently on that tab, it will be bolded. We don't want it to be too different, so same thing here. I also changed it so that home is bolded, and if you are already on that page, you won't be able to click it. I'm also going to add some hover over the unselected tabs so that the person has like some reaction to that the website's working. So here we have some top blogs. These are just test cases. Obviously I don't have pictures right now to go with them, but this design would mean that each blog would have a picture, and I hope that I can do something like that. Even then, if I don't, I can just include like the YouTube video as the picture, the thumbnail, because usually speaking, I would probably make a blog each day, and each day I'm also gonna try to post a YouTube video that corresponds to the blog. Now, these are just like the top blogs. I'm probably gonna have a favorited option so that the ones with more likes will get on here, or the ones with like more content or more views would get on here. Here we can just have more blogs because obviously these are not the only blogs on there. So here I sorted out by collection so that people that are only focusing on a specific theme of the week or something like that, they can just click onto it, and then here you see they're just drop down menus, and then these will be clickable links, and then when you hover over them, I'm also probably just gonna bold them or make them bigger, keeping it pretty simple. And then I also have by date. These ones will only be up to a week before. So if today was the 17th, it will only have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Or actually it'll start from 11 because it includes 17, assuming that I posted a blog for the 17th. Now next up, we have the photography one. I got a little bit creative with the text, just wanted to be something fun. So pretty bland on the first page because I want it to be like simple yet aesthetic, and I'm going for more like the blank space aesthetics. Underneath here we would have featured images. I was gonna consider doing like a random roll thing where it would kind of like glitch out the image into a new one, since I'm going with a glitch theme. Other than that, I will have like different collections. These are just like a very basic, as you can see here, I just copy and pasted the style, but I can include different layouts, and the details of it will probably be needed for the programming parts, which I will work out probably tomorrow, or actually not tomorrow because tomorrow I'll probably focus on the homepage, but in later dates in general. And last but not least, I have a socials page, which includes just like my YouTube, Discord, Instagram, Spotify, and anything else that I think of in the future. I can just easily add it to the sidebar here. I do want to feature like my Instagram or YouTube, and these will just be like the most recent posts, and then YouTube I can either do like most recent or most liked videos, both works. I would have it so that each of them, when you click it, it'll just link it into the Instagram page, and for the YouTube one, it'll also just link it back to the YouTube page. Pretty simple. One thing that I figured when I was going through, like walking through this website, I didn't really make a design for when you're actually looking at the blog or when you're actually clicking into a collection. So those are things that I would still have to work on. I think for the blog part, it would just be pretty simple, black background, white text. Now some people might have also heard like a black background is probably not the best because it kind of hurts our eyes. So in the future, I'll probably consider changing it into not actually black, and same with if I have any whites, I'll just change it to a bit of an off-white. Though white, I'm a bit hesitant to change because I am going for the more pop color theme, so white does make it like stand out more. And I think I'll just wrap it here for today. So tomorrow I will either continue finishing up the rest of the designs that I missed, or if I feel like it, I will start coding the homepage and see how far I get. I'm thinking that coding the website entirely would take more than just the rest of the week, so it will probably blend into next week. I'm just gonna say this week will be like week 1 and 2 so that they'll all get blended together in the end. And so yeah, please subscribe and like this video if you haven't already. Only if you like it, of course. But if you want to follow me on my journey and continue maybe practicing your own personal website design skills, or any website design skills, maybe graphic design art skills too, those work. But generally speaking, if you want to follow me on my journey, please make sure to check out my channel. There is a lot of description on what this 90-day challenge is, and I hope you like it and see that starting is actually not that bad. Once you start, everything seems kind of fun at this point. Anyways, see you guys in the next video. Peace.